Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set whether the Docs app can create Word documents or not in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive Files. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on Settings, and here in Document Creation we find Create Word Files. We can turn this on, and then we will be able to create Word documents alongside Google Docs documents inside the app, so thereby communicating on other platforms will become easier. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.